Hi, this is our Riskit Free app, and this is the login screen, and it's been secure by using JWT tokens, so it's like secure enough, and using access tokens and refresh tokens as well. So let's just log in. This is the onboarding screen that the new users go through, and it just tells what the app is about, and we can skip it as well. And this is the home screen. So there are three sections. The first section is about the intro. Second is your spaces, is basically where the most loved ones mostly spend their time in. And you also have your care circle, which is your loved ones or anybody who is related to you that you want to monitor. So this is basically the info that you can enter and save it. Let's just go through one of the members. So this is Pratik, my father, who has a knee pain and also has medical history of stomachache. And let's go inside. Now let's add a new space. So this is a new space. We can see that you can add the space name like bedroom 2 and description, and you can add multiple members who will be visiting that space or who want to stay in that space where you want to monitor them. And let's explore living room 1.
When we open the space, we save a lot of information about the space. Firstly, we talk about the safety score. We have ensured that we create an algorithm that determines how safe a space is based on the hazards and recommendations that we predict. We see that for each of the spaces, we are storing the safety assessment history, which gives transparency to the user by looking at all of the previous uploads and all of the scores, hazards, and recommendations of those uploads. To make it more accessible, we have color-coded the scores as well as displayed key recommendations that they can immediately put into action. Now let us do a quick demo of how we can create an upload for this space. When we try to open the upload button, we see that we get an option to either take a photo or choose from gallery. If we choose to take a photo, we can take a photo of the living room. We see the image upload is successful. And upon loading the space, we also see that there are bounding boxes in this particular upload that we just did. Let us look at that. We see the safety score of this upload is 73, which is in percentage. And the hazards that exist are slippery tile floor, uneven floor transition from tile to wood, items stored on high shelves. Medium priority has clutter on countertops, and lower priority has poor lighting in some areas. In the recommendations based on these hazards, we also tell them that they can install grab bars near the stove and sink to provide support, ensure good lighting throughout the kitchen, remove clutter from countertops to create clear workspace, store frequently used items within each, and so on and so forth. If we look at the image, we see that we have recognized the hazards. We have displayed the hazard, visualized it in our image so that it's easier for the user to understand what to change. We have enabled all of this using generative AI models, which are state of the art. And we have given all of the information that we have about the patients or about the loved ones and the spaces as context to these generative models. So we get accurate, personalized information for each of the spaces. Thank you. Hope you like the app.